type of riot? An English riot. I'm Damien, the sledgehammer that smashes down English language barriers. If you want to improve your English, you've come to the right place. I make weekly videos about how to get better in everything in English. Speaking, writing, listening, and reading. Why choose me? Well, I'm not just a pretty face. I know what I'm talking about. 20 years teaching English, 9 years running my own successful language school, former IELTS-examiner, award-winning teacher, masters in teaching English as a second language, journal article writer, conference presenter, language learner, the list goes on. But most importantly to me, I've helped countless students unmask their future English selves to now be taken seriously in English. Maybe you wear your own mask when you speak English. Maybe you want to take your own mask off, but you don't know how. Well, join me on this language learning journey and start taking off your English mask today. Oh, riot also means to have fun in a loud way. And that's what learning with English Riot is all about. So why don't you sledgehammer that subscribe button and start rioting today. Maybe not that much fun. See you later.